So yesterday we collected some machines that weren't doing well or we thought wouldn't do well. So right now what we are doing is taking out the candy, throwing the candy away because it's not in good condition. And then the toys, what we do is if we sell them, we keep them for our stock. And then if we're not selling them, we put them into like a mystery mix that we kind of use for like our cranes and everything like that. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna take you guys out there and show you what my husband's doing. So this is the box I'm going to grab for the stuff that we usually keep for stock. We're just going to stick everything in here and then just organize them later because right now we are limited in time. Ah!
That's not bad.
Oh.
For 2 weeks. $42. It's pretty good.
Are you grabbing the money first?
There's no false bottom. Grab me that vacuum.
So this is the stock then?
This is stock. This is. Pour that in there.
Okay, well this is a mystery mix then.
Mystery mix.
Mystery mix. Why?
I'm gonna put a bottom on it. You wanna grab my bag?
So now there's money in there?
Yeah, all the way at the bottom. And a lot of their machines don't have them, so it all falls to the bottom.
Now using a magnet. I don't get how 10 cents and stuff goes through.
Because the coin mech is a pass-through coin mech, so it doesn't jam.
Not very much though, hey?
No, he collected it before we bought though, right?
You put a false bottom on it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna buy them because I don't have them.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, we should dump that.
Seems like there was a lot more than that.
They have duct tape and everything.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I thought maybe
look at that.
to close it shut. What?
These are counters.
What?
It counts the money that goes into it.
That's cool.
I wonder if all of them have it.
Well, we'll find out.
This is pretty cool though. I didn't check that other one.
stock box?
Yeah. Only that one has it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I wonder why. Nothing in there?
No, I think there's a tuning in the candy over here. Oh, there's a couple.
One more tuning. Those jelly beans were disgusting.
Yeah, I think they were there for a couple of years. Here, you want one?
No. You want one? That's disgusting.
It's not bad, actually.
I can't believe you just did that.
I still don't get the duct tape on everything.
Well, maybe they thought, I don't know. I don't know. Was it bad?
Yep. Oh, look at all that money.
Well, I can't see. You want a flashlight? Huh. Use your magnet again? Where is it? Right here. Here.
There's got to be a quicker way to do this. Like,
Your vacuum.
that's what I'm
It's
gonna
all
do.
full though.
I'll go dump it.
What a waste of candy. Dare you try one of those now?
Bite.
I'll give you 1/4. No? How about you give me everything we collected today and I will have a handful of those.
How about no?
Quarter for the poor?
It's not a quarter. It's not.
Dime for the poor? I still don't understand why the heck they did that. Like, thought it was because they wanted it to keep closed while they moved it, but it makes no sense.
I think it's so that it doesn't bang.
Oh,
Like when it's not as when it was in their location, right?
yeah, that's true.
It makes it quieter.
Oh, it looks tacky though. It's a bowling alley. Why the heck would they want it quiet?
I don't know.
Let's see.
Let's see the haul we got.
Nothing. Better than nothing though. Like, we didn't even know that this was, we had this. I thought you had to go like from the top and collect it, but I did not realize you can take those plastic things out. Makes it a lot easier. I feel like they collected and then just left it, and then the people, the owner, just stuck it in their storage room. Let's see. No coin counter on that?
No.
Nothing. Maybe it's spelled to the candy. You try one.
It tastes like space apples.
You missed a toy in there.
It's got like a chute where the coins go down. Oh, I see. It's for easy access. You see that?
No.
I'll show you here in a minute.
Oh. That's cool.
Just don't know how it works. Oh, alright. doesn't come out though.
You missed a lot of that candy, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, this is all the candy from those machines. I know it's a waste, but it's disgusting, and yeah.